Welcome, everyone, and I have to say again, there is nothing that can compare with the feeling before a game. The bustle in the stands, the sounds, the lights, the thrill of the parking lot.
The thrill of the parking lot?
Jim, you just don't understand because you're not a thrill seeker.
He scores!
I think even the goalie is considering shaking his hand after that amazing goal.
Detroit gets off to a great start.
They shouldn't celebrate yet, Jim. There's enough time on the clock for the other team to learn a foreign language, do some laundry, and take the lead.
And by number 5, Nicholas Lidstrom.
Simon. Offside, Washington. Simon. Stoned cold by Joseph. Simon shoots. Joseph stoned him cold. Witt with the puck. Washington has a player down, and he's not getting up.
I always hate to see an injury, Jim. Let's hope he's okay.
We figured his injury may be too bad to play with.
And we were right. He's going to the locker room.
Smolinski takes his stick in both hands and really nails his opponent.
I know he got caught up in the heat of the moment, but cross-checking is a bad thing to do.
The face-off goes to Detroit. Yzerman. Solani takes control of the puck. Shoots it from the right. Kolzig made the save.
The play came down to him versus the puck, and the guy with the funny mask wins.
Simon has a breakaway. Pushed off the puck. Brewer scooped it up. Lemieux. Brewer with a wrist shot. Halpern gets in the way. Bondra in the clear. Timonen gets the pass from Joseph Yzerman. Yager shoots the puck. He scores!
Top shelf where you hide the cookies from the kids. Sorry, kids. Jim, yep, Jim. They have a 2-goal lead, Jim. Midway through the first period, Jim.
Why do you keep saying my name?
No reason, Jim.
Dolan takes possession of the puck.
One hand is all you need when you can deke like that.
44, Timonen.
Yzerman with the puck. Lemieux. Backhand. Detroit puts its third line out. Halpern jumps on the loose puck. Dolan. It's one-on-one. He gets bumped off the puck.
Not enough gusto on that one, Jim, but I'm willing to give him another chance.
Washington puts its checking line out. Save by Kolzig. And they get called for icing. Kristich. He shoulders Zubras. Yager takes possession of the puck. Kolzig slams the door shut. Kristich. Zubras cannoning drive. He hits the post. Yager takes control of the puck. Denied by Kolzig.
Not tonight. Not this net. No how.
Delayed penalty coming up for Detroit. Yager gets called for cross-checking.
Look at how smoothly that penalty box door swings open to let him in, Jim. They must oil it on a regular basis.
Detroit will need to play smart now.
Well, they've always got to play smart. They've just got to play extra smart now, like Einstein smart.
Like you, Don.
Not that smart, Jim.
That's offside. Chelios grabs the puck. Lemieux.
The sun is set on the first period. Soon, the second period. Jim, I woke up this morning and somehow just knew I'd be witnessing a great game here tonight.
So far, it's been fun to watch, and you just know it's going to continue this way, so drop the puck. Hull grabs the puck. Hard shot. Joseph shut the door.
This is when you see what your goalie is made of.
Robitaille. Wrist shot from the right. The door is shut by Kolzig.
He took care of business with the flick of a stick.
Hull now has the puck. Brewer stops the shot. He's with the puck. Yager has it. Johansson grabbed it. Halpern. He gets laid out. Johansson gets hold of the puck. Timonen. Robitaille. Fires hard. Door slammed shut by Kolzig. Kolzig freezes the puck. Bondra. Cleared to center. Washington beats out the icing call. Joseph denied him.
He's making their shooters look like tiny little mini-men.
Washington dumps the puck in. Joseph made the save. Yager. Shoots the puck. Stoned by Kolzig.
Someone said shot, and he said not.
It seems we've got a fight on our hands, Don.
Actually, Jim, I think the guys on the ice will handle the fight. All we have to do is talk about it.
He seems pretty happy about winning that one, Don.
Well, you know how it is. You tag them, and then you're it.
Washington penalty.
Dolan grabs the puck. Bondra! He takes possession of the puck. Smolinski.
Colin White, a 5-minute major for fighting.
Nieuwendyk saved by Kolzig. And he hangs onto the puck for the whistle. Washington gets it. Lang. Simon takes it. Stoned cold by Joseph.
Yeah, that looked challenging.
Shoots it. Denied by Kolzig.
That save makes me a happy man. Happy like Dusty the Rodeo Clown.
Caberlet got the puck. Cranks one. Hull gets in the way. Lang. Simon grabbed the puck. Westland. Fires it. Washington grabs it. Simon. He's in alone. Rips a shot. The door is shut by Joseph.
He stops the offense in their tracks.
Yager. Robitaille. Yager takes control of the puck. Mironov. Bullish now has it. Fires it hard. Blocked. Wrist shot. It goes wide. Brewer grabs the puck.
Last minute of play.
Nylander. Westland has it now. Nylander grabbed it. Kolzig turned the shot away.
40 minutes down, 20 to go. Unless it goes into overtime. Then it could be 25 minutes to go. Or 30 minutes. Anyway, you get my point. I love my job.
What fan of hockey wouldn't love your job?
And now it's time for both of us to do our job. Here comes the next period of play.
Yzerman with the puck. Quick shot from the right. Brown stops the shot. He takes control of the puck. Yzerman fired it. Washington jumps on it. Dolan. He gets laid out. Solani. Brown takes possession of the puck. Yzerman. Timonen returns it. Lemieux. Solani takes possession. Yzerman was offside. Dolan. Halpern corrals it. Dolan fires it. Robitaille. He gets pushed. Robitaille. Kolzig shuts the door. Brown gets the pass from Kolzig. Halpern controls the puck. Chelios steals it. Robitaille gobbles it up. Shoots it hard. Kolzig made the save. Lang cranks it. Blocked. Lidstrom takes control of the puck. Yager. Washington scoops it up. They dump it in on the inboards. Lidstrom in control now. Yager took it. Washington has it. Simon fires. Lidstrom takes over. Yager. Shot it. Kolzig. Walker save.
He may not get to skate around like the other guys, but he's still having fun.
Brewer knocks the puck loose. Lemieux fires! He scores! Awesome shot on that goal.
Yeah, you could sell that guidance system to the military.
Detroit goal.
Yake bumped off the puck.
It's a dog-eat-dog game, and that dog, he got eaten.
Save by Kolzig. Kolzig hangs on for the whistle. The face-off goes to Detroit. Lidstrom with a weak shot. Simon Joseph has a shutout going so far.
Shh, don't say the word shutout, Jim. You'll jinx him.
Gonchar shoots! Robitaille with the puck. Gonchar runs over Yager. Gonchar scoops up the loose puck. Kolzig hangs on for the whistle. Miller whips it. Yzerman gets in the way. Miller takes possession of the puck. Yake gets the shot off. Detroit has it now. Lemieux. It's one-on-one. Lemieux, wrist shot. Save by Kolzig. Yzerman. He hits the post. Kolzig freezes the puck. Kristich now with it. Konowalchuk dumps it in. Corralled by Washington. Zubras shoots it. Smolinski picks it up. White gets hammered. Kristich grabs the puck. Konowalchuk shoots. White runs him over.
Oh, they felt that hit at the Earthquake Research Center, but only because they have extremely sensitive equipment.
Caberlet turned aside by Kolzig.
Another night, another game, another save, and yet it's never boring.
It's one-on-one. Hull backhanded shot. Joseph denies him.
He's blocking pucks like there's no tomorrow.
Gonchar jumps on the loose puck. Brown fires it. Neuendijk.
He's set to join the exclusive 500 goal club. All he needs to do is put one more puck in the net.
That's all?
That's all. Piece of cake.
Lang fires, and that's the end. Detroit is the winning team.
It all comes down to the fundamentals, Jim. They kept moving the puck around from man to man until they had the shot they wanted.
That wins.